Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To Dr. Rokia binti Kadir. My name is Sharifah Nadia binti Shah Said. Today, I would like to present individual presentation about business law. First, introduction. Question 1. One evening, Ayah bin, a religious leader, tells Abu, one of his followers, that their religious group urgently needed a new meeting place. Ayah bin reminds Abu of the large bungalow which Abu owns in Pasir Putih. On being told to pray for guidance, Abu announced that he has been inspired to sell the said bungalow to Ayah bin at only 20% of its actual value. 3 days later, Abu seized his solicitors and excused the transfer of the said bungalow to Ayah bin at the said value. 2 months after that, Ayah bin expels Abu from the religious group. Abu now wants to invalidate the sale of the bungalow, advised Abu. The case is under element undue influence. Undue influence is a domination or pressure within or without special relations. Undue influence operates where there exists a relationship between the parties which has been exploited by one party to gain an unfair advantage. Undue influence is divided into actual undue influence and presumed undue influence. Where a contract is found to be entered into as a result of undue influence, this will render the contract voidable. This will enable the person influenced to have the contract set aside as against a party who subjected the other to such influence. There have 3 sections. First, Section 16(1). A contract is said to be induced by undue influence when one of the parties is in a position to dominate the will of the other and use that position to obtain an unfair advantage over the other. Second, Section 16(2). A person in a position to dominate the will of another. A. Where he holds a real, apparent authority or fiduciary relation over the other. B. Where he makes a contract with a person whose mental capacity is temporarily or permanently affected by reason of age, illness, or mental or bodily distress. Lastly, Section 16(3), where a person who is in the position to dominate the will of another enters into contract with him, the burden that the contract was not induced by undue influence shall lie upon him. The case is related to Section 16(1) because a contract is said to be induced by undue influence. This is because Ayah bin reminds Abu of the large bungalow which Abu owns in Pasir Putih and urgently needed a new meeting place and told to pray for guidance. Ayah bin used their position as a religious leader to obtain unfair advantages from Abu. This is because Abu announced that he has been inspired to sell the said bungalow to Ayah bin at only 20% of its actual value. Effect of undue influence. Section 20 CA 1950, agreement caused by undue influence is voidable at the option of the party whose consent was obtained. Contract may be set aside absolutely or partly as per case Sheikh Singh v. Buden bin Abdullah. If plaintiff has received money, return it to the defendant upon such term as the cost may seem just. The plaintiff cannot claim damage. The ways Abu gets invalidate the sale of the bungalow. First, Abu should recognize and benefit from the lack of sophistication from Ayah bin of undue influence. Usually, Ayah bin is unsophisticated on India methods. Second, Abu tried to determine the names and addresses of the witnesses then they realized to Ayah bin and tried to interview them. Lastly, Abu Nis considered retaining an experienced private investigator to assist in determining the facts. Undue influence case demand a meticulous examination of the facts. The private investigator should take signed statement from any witnesses who have material evidence. Conclusion: undue influence cases have always been difficult to prove for a variety of reasons and probably will remain that way for some time yet into the future. The contract must be free consent. According to Section 13, consent is the parties agree upon the same thing in the same sense. According to Section 14, free is the consent is not secure through such means as coercion, undue influence, fraud, misrepresentation, and mistake. The contract is voidable if there is no free consent. So this case is voidable and Abu should invalidate the sale of the bungalow from Ayah bin. That's all from me. Thank you.